Hello, I'm Walter Scott, an EIDL certificate student in the online instructional design course at Rice State University. I'm discussing Empowering Discussion is Vital by Terry Doyle. In the process of enhancing students' interest in learner-centered teaching, Terry Doyle gives students 9 specific reasons why learning discussion techniques will help them in their future avocation. Most students will leave academia for the business world. In both the business and academic worlds, students will need new skills that can be learned through applying discussion. I will discuss 9 reasons why learning discussion is empowering as expressed by learner-centered teaching by Terry Doyle. It is used to help students accept the discussion aspects of learner-centered teaching. The hope is that these 9 skills will give students power and foster their acceptance of this new type of teaching. As educators, we are responsible for our students, to their future bosses, and to society in general, for graduated students' abilities to function in the workplace. We need to arm our students with practical skills as well as knowledge. Their ability to communicate with their co-workers through discussion is one of those practical skills that will give them empowerment. As in all human interaction, you can be either part of the solution or part of the problem. Learning to present your ideas and listen to others so that compromise may be involved makes you part of the solution and not part of the problem. Being part of the solution is your empowerment. It is important to learn many skills of discussion. The skill that is most powerful is the ability to listen before you make up your mind. It does sound too simple to be true, but listening is the first and the most empowering of skills. There are not 2 universes, one college and one workplace. There is one universe. The college experience should prepare you for the smooth transition into the workplace. Learning to identify your ideas and communicate these ideas to others is the test both of college and of the workplace. It is shown by many researchers that discussion enhances both learning and memory, and this empowers your discussion ability. Discussion is a pure form of bilateral communication. The concept of mutuality and the interaction in the discussion process makes discussion a vital part of communication. When you become part of the mutuality, your esteem is increased, your desirability is enhanced, and you are empowered. In most places, communication and discussion are carried on by small or large groups. The skills to participate in group interaction and discussion are important for our students. They become part of the group team for the Lone Eagle Project. Being an accepted part of the team, facilitated by discussion, empowers your ability to mold important decisions. Even the Lone Eagle, Charles Lindbergh, needed a team behind him. The workplace is not a safe place. A misstep in discussion, a poor presentation, an inadvertent comment can all affect your promotion or employment. College is a safe place to learn the skills you will need in later life. The skills of analysis, synthesis, and evaluation are difficult at first. The first place to learn these skills is college discussion. When you master these skills in college, you will be empowered in the workplace. As Terry Doyle, in his book Learner-Centered Teaching, discusses the application of confrontation, disagreement, and affirmation in college. Power may seem to arise out of force. In fact, power arises out of gentility. We need to teach our students how to accomplish these goals with politic and politeness in mind. Group discussions are the battlefields where students can pull their word swords and test their mettle against the opinions of others. It sounds cruel, but the word swords in college are rubber and harmless. The word swords of business are metal and can be ruthless. We need to teach our students how to test their mettle in a safe place so they may be empowered for their future employment. Going from passivity to power in learner-centered teaching and discussion is accomplished through 9 methods proposed by Terry Doyle. Being taught had always been a passive, receptive activity. Terry Doyle in his book lists 9 ways to put power into the student's hands. His assumption is that once students taste and experience the power of discussion, they will accept this method of learning and want more. Through the new reliance on social media and social interactions, I think students will enjoy the possibility of being empowered by taking on discussion in the classroom. For faculty, I think the jury is still out. Will tenured faculty see the new empowerment of student discussion as helpful or deleterious to their students' education? This is still an open question. These are 3 research articles, and these are 5 research articles stating that they're supporting the 9 ways of discussion enhancing learner-centered teaching. Thank you.